Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope everything is good. Today I'm going to go and change the battery of my Fossil Q Grand Hybrid smartwatch. This watch I had purchased a year back, and it's been long since I was waiting to get my hands on lithium batteries for this runs on lithium battery. As you can see, the current time here is 5 o'clock, and here if you see, it's still not tuned 5, and there is nothing happening because obviously the battery is yet to be changed. So this watch, a brief about this watch is a smartwatch. As I said earlier, it supports Android and iOS, so it's compatible with both, and it can allow you to control music. Is having battery which doesn't need to be recharged. That's why it is showing battery operated. The battery life is around 6 months, with maximum usage or depending on your usage. Secondly, it is connected via Bluetooth interface to your smart watch or smart app in the phone. So let's get started. As you can see, I have the box, so I am not doing any unboxing. This is just to show which watch I have, and then you get a beautiful kit along with this watch, which is in the shape of the Q alphabet. Now initially I thought that this is a symbol of Q watch, but it has a functional capability, and this is basically to open the back of your smartwatch. Okay, so it's a toolkit, so as can be seen here. So before I open, let me show you what kind of battery gets into this watch. So this is a 3-volt lithium battery or a cell, as you can see. So it is CR2430. The 24 defines the thickness of the battery, and 30 is the volt. So I have never tried to put any other lithium CR variant batteries, but I'm going to try it, so I will let you know how it works. But as of now, we will go with CR2430, which is the recommended one from Fossil for Fossil Q Grand. So let's get started. So now, as you can see, this is having a back lid which has a cut in the middle, that is basically to jack in this Q alphabet toolkit and open up the back panel. So let's go ahead and open it. So if you can see, I will just rotate it once. Oops. Yep, and it's open. Yep. So if you see, this is the battery panel, and there is nothing else apart from a circuit that will be connecting with the battery that you enter into this. Now let us place the battery. So the battery, so if you see, this is here you can see the negative sign, okay, and on the battery here you would see a positive sign. That means the positive sign should be on the top, and the negative sign, that is the other side, should go inside, and it should fix like this. Now that we have done here, before placing back the panel, you have to be sure that it fits in properly, and for that, if you see, here are certain hinges, right, which fixes into this back panel. So I have to align these and fix it properly. So let me do that. It's a task, man. Okay, now if you see, everything is good. I just proceed and I'll lock the back panel. Yep. Now if you see, it adjusts itself. So currently the time is 6:15. Let us see. No, it's not right. So let me go ahead and sync with my app. So if you can see, I launched the app here. It will ask me to pair with Bluetooth, as I said. So let me go ahead and pair with my Bluetooth. Right. Okay, so here it is. Now it is 5:04, and here if you see the time, it's aligning. Now once it has synced up, it's fantastic. So here in the app, you could basically change the customization, and if you see, I have set my own customs dials here. So if I press this, it will show me the current time in the second time zone that I've kept in. If I press it again, it will show me what is the date today. I hope you are able to see. If you press the third time, it will go back to the start, which basically calculates how much I have walked or what steps I have taken today. This one shows me the second time zone, so I could press the second tile and go to a second time zone. This is my current time zone, and if I press this, it would do nothing. It just vibrates for me because I have not set up anything. Okay, so that's how you change your battery. And now that my watch is up and running, I can use this when my Apple Watch is down on battery, so it continues tracking my steps, and I can also tag it back to the Apple application where it tracks all my steps in a day. Hope you liked this video. Here is my cue. If you like this video, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please let me know how it was, and please share your feedback. Thank you.